stop scrolling. Just listen for a moment. This is not just English, this is a real conversation on a quiet evening in a cafe, and maybe you'll feel something too. Excuse me, is this seat taken? I've been walking around for a while.
No, it's free. You can sit here.
Thank you. I didn't expect it to be this busy tonight.
Yeah, evenings are always like this. Everyone comes here to relax.
I can see why. It's actually really cozy here.
That's exactly why I come here. Do you usually go to places like this?
Not really, only when I feel like I need a break.
One of those days?
More like one of those weeks.
Work.
Work, life, everything at once.
Yeah, I get that. Sometimes it just becomes too much.
Exactly, and you don't even notice it at first.
Until one day you just feel exhausted.
That's when you know you need to slow down.
So you came here to escape for a bit?
Yeah, just to sit, think, and breathe.
That's actually a good idea.
I hope so.
What were you thinking about before I interrupted you?
Honestly, whether I should change something in my life?
That sounds serious.
It is, but also kind of exciting.
Are you scared?
Yeah, but I think that's normal.
Usually, when something scares you, it means it matters.
That's a good way to look at it.
Do you ever feel stuck? Like nothing is really changing.
More often than I'd like to admit.
So what do you do when that happens?
I try to change something small, just to feel alive again.
Maybe that's what I need too.
Maybe this is already a start.
You mean, this conversation?
Yeah, sometimes something new starts like this.
I didn't expect to talk to anyone tonight.
Me neither. Usually, when I come to places like this, I just sit quietly, drink my coffee, and leave. I don't really talk to strangers.
Honestly, same here. Most people are too distracted these days.
Everyone's looking at their phones instead of actually talking. Yeah, it feels like real conversations are becoming rare.
Exactly. And when you finally have one, it feels different. Like you can finally slow down for a moment.
That's probably why I stayed. Normally, I would have finished my drink and left already.
So I should feel special?
Maybe a little.
I'll take that. To be honest, I almost didn't come here tonight.
Really? Why not?
I had a long day. I was tired, annoyed, and honestly, I just wanted to stay home.
But you came anyway.
Yeah. Something told me I needed to get out for a while.
Funny how small decisions can completely change an evening.
Or even more than an evening.
You know, I used to love going out alone. I liked sitting in cafes, watching people, thinking about life.
What changed?
Life got busy, stress, responsibilities, the usual.
Yeah. At some point, people stop enjoying small moments.
Exactly, everything becomes routine. Wake up, work, go home, repeat.
And suddenly weeks pass without anything memorable happening.
That's actually kind of scary.
It is. That's why moments like this matter.
You really think a random conversation can matter that much?
Sometimes random conversations are the ones you remember the longest.
I think you're right.
Can I ask you something?
Depends on the question.
What's something you've always wanted to do, but never did?
Honestly, I've always wanted to travel somewhere completely alone. No plans, no schedule, just freedom.
That actually sounds amazing.
What about you?
I think. I always wanted to start over somewhere new.
Start over?
Yeah. New city, new people, Maybe even a new version of myself. That sounds brave. You know what's funny?
What? An hour ago, we didn't know each other existed. And now we're talking about life like old friends.
Yeah, life is weird sometimes. You know, I didn't expect tonight to turn out like this.
Neither did I. I almost canceled coming here.
Really?
Yeah, I changed outfits 3 times, felt tired, and kept telling myself to just stay home.
That sounds very specific.
Because it's true.
So what made you finally come?
Honestly, I think I was tired of feeling stuck in the same routine every day.
Yeah, routine can quietly drain you.
Exactly. At first, you don't notice it. Then suddenly, every day starts feeling the same.
Wake up, work, answer messages, come home exhausted, and repeat.
That's literally my life right now.
Mine too, honestly.
Do you ever look around and feel like everyone else has their life figured out except you?
All the time.
Really? You don't seem like that type of person.
Trust me, people are better at hiding things than you think.
That's true. Social media makes everyone look happy all the time.
Yeah, but nobody posts the lonely moments.
Or the nights when they overthink everything.
Exactly. Can I tell you something weird?
Sure.
Sometimes I come to cafes like this just to be around people. Even if I don't talk to anyone.
That's not weird.
It isn't.
No, I think a lot of people feel lonely now, even when they're surrounded by others.
Yeah, modern loneliness. That sounds sad when you say it out loud.
Maybe, but conversations like this make it feel a little less heavy. You know what's strange?
What?
I usually feel uncomfortable talking to new people.
And now?
Now it feels easy.
Maybe because neither of us is pretending to be perfect.
That's rare these days.
Very rare.
Most conversations are so surface level now.
How are you? I'm good. End of conversation.
Exactly. Nobody actually says how they feel.
So how do you actually feel?
Honestly, a little lost sometimes, but hopeful.
That's probably the most honest answer I've heard in a long time.
What about you?
I think I'm trying to become someone I'd actually be proud of.
That's a hard thing to admit,
Yeah,
but I think most people feel that way deep inside.
maybe we are all just trying to figure life out, while pretending we already know how.
That might be the most accurate thing I've heard this week.
You know what I like about this conversation?
What?
It doesn't feel forced.
Yeah, it feels real.
I think people miss real things now. Real conversations, real emotions, real connection. Exactly.
Maybe that's why tonight feels different.
Maybe that's why neither of us wanted to leave yet.
Maybe.
Sometimes the best conversations happen unexpectedly.
And sometimes they remind us that we are not as alone as we think.
If you enjoy real English conversations like this,
Subscribe and practice English with us every day.